Hello everyone, Kate Silburn here with Rocky Mountain Elder Law, and today I'm going to touch on the difficult subject of when conflict arises regarding aging parents. Oftentimes this happens between and amongst siblings, but it can happen with a caregiver and siblings. It can happen even with the spouse of a declining or aging parent and the children. So what are the subtle shifts one should look for when you sense conflict bubbling to the surface? Oftentimes when a loved one needs higher levels of care, it can bring out a lot of family history, and emotional wounds surface and manifest in a way for some people to commandeer the situation, to control the situation. So some of the subtle signs are when one family member decides they are absolutely in control and no conversation is forthcoming about care choices, care plans, who the caregivers are, if caregivers are needed, and leaving, say for instance, the spouse out of the loop and out of the conversation. To me, there are very significant costs to having only one person control or commandeer the situation. Many of the other siblings or children and even the spouse can feel very hurt and left out of caring for their loved one. And that can be very detrimental and cause increased tension, increased strife amongst the entire family. So what we want to do is try to have productive family meetings and conversations about what's going on. This can break the ice and go further in doing so than almost any other plan that I know. Making sure that everyone gets informed, whether it becomes a group email address so that updates can be given via email, whether it's a Zoom call where the entire family is on board. It's just so important to communicate even the day-to-day nuances of somebody's increased level of care.